Hello Internet, my name is Tori, welcome back or welcome to my channel, and today I have the 50 makeup products I want to use up this year. This is the quarterly update because originally I was just going to do an intro and a finale, and then after Jessica posted her update I was just like, yeah, that's a good idea. I should do that too. So I am going to say everything I used up, and then I'm going to say everything that's still in the project. Actually, I have everything I used up technically right here, but let's just jump right into it. So one of the first items, well, the first item on the list, I already used up. This is the e.l.f. eyebrow kit. My goal was to completely use up the powder, and I did, so this is done. Another thing I've already used up is a Maybelline Great Lash. This was a mini. This is done. The other thing that is done is the CoverGirl Clump Crusher Mascara. Completely done, completely used up. This I actually finished up today. This is the NYX Pot Concealer. This is completely done. I used up the Wet n Wild Primer. So that is it for the face products, which is my first one to 25. And then for the lips and the eyes, I used up the Bite Lipstick in Rhubarb. I used up the Jeffree Star Liquid Lipstick in I'm Royalty. And I used up one eyeshadow, and that is the Caffeine Lights and Morphe in Dark Gray. This was a matte shadow. To be fair with that one, I didn't really use it up. I used it like 3 times, and then it kept crumbling and falling on me, and it wasn't a good time. So, to talk about what I have left, so we'll go back to face products. So I have the Tarte Exposed Highlighter. I have the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, so a white eye pencil. The NYX Crystal Liner in Crystal Silk, which is a gold glitter eyeliner. And AOA Studios Face Powder in NYX Porcelain Face Powder. It's the #NoFilter powder. I have the Lorac eyeliner in Antique Gold. I have the Lorac eyeliner in Rose Bronze. I have the AOA Studio Peach Concealer. I have the Maybelline Dream Velvet Foundation. I have the Maybelline BB Cream. I have the QKI Highlighter. I have the Lorac Eye Primer. I have the Urban Decay Lip Liner in 1993. I have the Too Faced Sketch Marker White Eyeliner. I have the YSL Touche Éclat. I have the Essence Blush in Satin Love. I have the Too Faced Mini Born This Way Concealer in Light. I have a Sephora highlighter stick. It does not have a shade, but it's like a bronze color. I have the Physicians Formula Cat Eye Mascara, and I have the Urban Decay Highlighting Fluid in Aura. I keep calling it Aurora, but it's Aura, and it's a light pink. So I've been doing fairly consistent with those. A lot of the items I just mentioned actually are like my everyday items, which I didn't realize, but that's rad. So I'm not too worried on that. And then to talk about the lip products, I have the Kat Von D Mini in Mother, the Kat Von D Mini in kdub, the MAC lipstick in Candy Yum Yum, the MAC lipstick in La Vie in Rouge, the NYX lingerie in French Maid, the Jeffree Star lipstick in Rose Madder, the full size one, because I have a full size and a mini. I want to use up the full size because it's older. The Sugarpill lipstick in Cubby, the bullet, not the liquid. The Tarte lipstick in Texas Toast, which was the collab with Graveyard Girl in probably 2014. That one's old. So that is fine considering I've already used up 2 lipsticks, but also at the same time I'm not concerned with my use of lipsticks. I go through them like they're water. So now on to the eyeshadows. I have the Coastal Scents Hot Pot in Mauve. That one does have pan in it from previous use, so I'm not too concerned. I just have to use it. I have an ABH single in 10K, which looks brand new. I have a L'Oreal brown eyeshadow that was depotted from the 710 Berries Quad, Subtle Berries Quad, that's what it's called. And if you're wondering how I know that by name, it's because it was a dance makeup, so like you had to know it by name. She's being bad, so I'm just gonna have the bunny on my shoulder, even though it's not about you. She's in my lap now because she wasn't fond of my shoulder. So the L'Oreal brown shade does have pan, so that's good. The Kathleen Lights of Morphe cream matte shade, none of the eyeshadows had names if I remember correctly. The cream now does have pan in it, so that's rad. I have the Kathleen Lights of Morphe bronze shimmer shade that does have pan. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance, the burnt orange shade, doesn't have a lot of use, but that is fine for now. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance shade in red ochre does have pan. I have Makeup Geek Peaches and Cream. That one's fine. I've never used that one before, so I've used it a couple times, and that's actually a very weird shade. It's like a weird shade of orange and tan. I have the Lorac Brunch Jelly Donut, which has pan. The Lorac Brunch in Sunday Funday, which has pan. And then I have all my 4 remaining Tarte shades from the Romantic Eye Essentials Quad, and I do not remember the names, so I just call them light brown matte, dark brown matte, brown gold shimmer, and dark brown shimmer. So none of those 4 have pan? No. The dark brown gold shimmer, the brown gold shimmer has pan, but the rest of them don't, but that is fine because I reach for one of them at least once a week, so that is good. I'm not too worried about this. I feel like I just jumped on this, so I would stay accountable and use up the items that I really want out this year. Especially that Tarte Exposed Highlighter. I have to bring that out again because I really don't like it anymore. And I already hit pan on it before, and there's not a lot of product left. But now I'm rambling. So if you enjoy me and you enjoy Project Pans, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and all that jazz. And peace out, Girl Scout.